So I received another battery diagnosing with the Wifi, is it Eufy? Support team, and the idea is to figure out why the battery is dying on my door lock. As the application says on the box, it should be a year of battery life, but I've been only getting 2 months. So right now they sent me, this is the second battery they sent me, just to check if the battery was dying. We did a diagnostic, they have all the diagnostic information, so clueless as to why they sent me a second battery. Anyhow, to kind of keep this simple, I'm gonna record putting this on the battery, on the charger, and then installing it later on. So let's see what's in the bag. The battery, of course. So they sent me another battery for the unit. As you can see, another battery. So let me go put this in the charger and go from there. Hi folks, I need your support. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. Subscribing helps the channel. If you're enjoying these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to make this channel reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I'm hoping I can get there by the summer 2023, and keep pushing along. So I have my charger set up here. So I'm just gonna plug that in, and you can see the LED. So it is currently 8:11 right now, and still charging, or still on the charger. It is ready, but I'm gonna leave it on there a little bit longer. It is 3 p.m., 3:39 p.m. So we're gonna let that run for a little bit. Let it run because I don't want the support team to say, oh, it needs to be on there for 12 hours. So another 5 hours hits 12, and then I'll take it off and swap it into the door, and we'll see if we get even 6 months, because as I said, what I've been getting has been 2 months max, and then I have to swap out the battery or charge the battery. But yeah, long whole story. We went through the whole diagnostics, and they still send me back a battery instead of a new unit. Anyhow, we'll see where we go from there. So it is fully charged, as we saw earlier on, and it is 9 o'clock. So let's get it on. I'll switch this out in a few.
Chris, first you, Renee, what did you think?
Alright, so now that it is fully charged, what we're gonna do is swap it out and see if I get 6 months, or I'm probably not gonna get a year, because actually I don't even think I'm gonna get 6 months, because we already did this, and I'm just doing this to appease the Eufy or whatever, the support team, as to if the battery, this second battery being my third, is gonna make a difference. If it's gonna keep the charge, or the unit is gonna operate for months. So let me go switch it out. Alright, the process is kind of easy. We remove the door, pick up the used one and put in the new one. And that is it. Alright, so it went in today, September 13th. Oh, sorry. It got installed on the 13th of November, and at 9:04. We'll see. Because they're telling me, oh, let's try the battery again, and I'm like, we already went through all that stuff. They got the logs and everything from the app and then from the hardware, so yeah, that's all I can do. So November 13th, and we'll see if we go beyond into 2023. All right, thank you.
The battery is low. Please charge the battery when you can. The battery is low. Please charge the battery when you can.
So the Eufy smart lock with built-in Wi-Fi advertised that you should be able to get 365 days, as seen here, of charge on the battery, and I'm not getting that. Let me just see. I have all the rights to think this is false advertisement, because the unit.
The battery is low. Please charge the battery when you can.
Is already dying, and it's been 2 months.
Please charge the battery when you can.
And it was 2 months since I actually put in the new battery. This is the second battery Eufy has sent to me. So yeah, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think. What should be the next steps? I have the product on the Best Buy extended warranty. Plus, this is false advertisement. I'm expecting the product as listed to be 365 days of battery life, hence none. Well, either way, this was a bit of a consumer rant, and I'm working with Wifi to get this problem resolved. If not, I'll just return it. As I said, I already have the Best Buy extended warranty. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.